So I'm going to ask you, why do you think workshops are still working this way?
Fear of change. I think we've got a big culture of if it's not broken, don't fix it.
Yeah.
But at the same time, we constantly look at our customers and we expect them to understand the value of changing the oil before the engine seizes. And this is much the same thing where we're talking to a new process, a new way of doing things before it creates an issue. It's really easy to talk to it afterwards, but change is just difficult and it's new.
Some of them seem to be stuck in the old traditional ways because they know that's what's worked then, meaning in their mind they think it's going to work now. But the reality of it is, as technology changes and the end users' wants and needs change, they are going to be forced to move.